here in my room, sitting in the nice sunshine with the dogs. We are just having some fun. Yeah, we're having fun. We're just here, just laying about in the sunlight, getting nice and warm. Just outside, it's really cold. Yeah, it's cold out there, isn't it? Mm-hmm. What about you, Pacha? You cold? You got more hair than Lou does. But, yeah, these two golden dogs are just hanging out with me. We're just hanging out because we're just bored. Nothing's going on. There's nothing going on. At all. Nope, there's not. Nope. No, nothing going on. So I woke up about an hour ago. Just bored. I had nothing to do. I've been lazy. Says I'm being lazy. I'm being lazy. He's a doggy. He's a cute doggy. He's a cute doggy. He is. He's a very cute doggy. And so are you. You're a cute doggy too. Yes, you are. It's adoration. He looks at me with adoration. He's a cute puppy. La 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 la. Okay, anyways. I thought about making a video of these two playing again because I don't have any more. I deleted them. Ouch! They just nipped me. I deleted them all. Get him, Lou. Get him, Lou. He's a get him. Get him. Get him, Lou. He's a Lewis. Get him, Lewis. Or not. Bless you. Or not. So I thought about making a video. So, ow, Pacha, you are static electricity charged pooch. You are a static electricity charged poochie. In a little bit I might go out and get me some food because it's like almost lunchtime. Yeah. And I don't know if you can see him or not. I don't know if you can see him. Let me flip the camera. Oh, damn it. I can't flip it. Why can't I flip it? There we go. I can see him. I can see us. Hey. I'm just being blinded. Hey. Oh, you're static electricity charged too. You'd be so silly. You will be. What you doing, dog? Huh? What you doing, dog? I need to whoa. Yeah, I need to wash my bed skirt because the dogs have like just unloaded themselves on it. So it's about time I did that. Are you the only one in here? Huh? You the only one in here? Hey. What up, man? Huh? What up, man? What you doing, baby? Huh? What you doing? Says I'm enjoying the sun. I'm getting me some scratches. Yeah. I'm enjoying the scratches. Yes, I am. I'm a pretty boy. I'm a butter dog. I'm a butter boy. He's my butter ball. Says I'm a butter ball. He's a butter ball. He's a butter ball. I'm a pretty butter ball. Ow, my hair. What are you doing? I don't know what he's doing. What the hell? How did I do that? Wow, I thought I was breaking the recorder for a second there. Okay, I need to be careful about that little switch, because I like switched it to close, and I was just like really, really up close. So close. Ah! Okay, anyways. Sorry, baby. He's my baby. Yes, you are. Where's my other baby? I guess we can... Oh, there he is. Hey. 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 These dogs, they love me for who I am. Woo! Especially Pacha. Oh. Sneeze! Bless you. Oh. Sneeze it. Sneeze it. Bless you. There we go. That's a good boy. Sneeze again. Oh, no, that's not gonna good. That ain't gonna cut it. No cuts. Nope, nope, nope. You get your tire? Where's your tire? Get your tire. Go get the tire. Go get the tire. Come on, hound dog. Get the tire. Come on, let's go. Let's go. You're leaving me. You be leaving me? Okay, okay, get right here. Get right here. Get the tire. Get the tire. Here's the tire. Here's the tire. Go get the tire. Get the tire. Get it. Get the tire. Come on, Pacha. Get the tire. Yeah, you love your tire. Or do you want to go outside? You go outside? Alright. Let me get my jacket on. Oh, a quick story about yesterday. Like last night, my mom's sugar level dropped, and she felt really, really weak and like really lightheaded. So she didn't bring her purse. I was the one that brought my purse. My dad didn't have any money on him for some odd reason. So she needed a Coke, a real Coke, and crackers. So I went in and bought real Coke and crackers for her. And I get a Coke. I get the real Coke in return. Yay for me, because I've been drinking Sprite. So, that's that. What you doing, my little Louis Lollipop? Come on. You been so loyal. You be so loyal. You be so loyal. There goes the ball. Get that. Get it. There it goes. Alright, I'm going to set you down really, 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 really quick. It's 37 degrees. 37 degrees. Can y'all believe this? Oh my god. So yeah, it's 37 degrees apparently. And I don't know if that thing works anymore. It might not. But can y'all read it? It's like 40 something degrees outside, and that thing says 37. But then again, it's been at 40 something for quite a while now, so I think we need to change the batteries on it. Yeah. Nothing is happening today, sadly. There is nothing going on except for me about to open a Baked Lay's potato chip bag and start eating it, because I haven't had anything to eat as of yet. Baked Lay's makes everyone happy. I guess I should have done those advertisements. I shall eat my potato chips in the sun somewhere, anywhere. But the ground is so wet. that I don't really care to sit on it. Or need something dry. I wanna sit somewhere dry for my potato chips. So I shall clear away some awesome stuff. Leaves, some disgusting leaves, crunchy leaves. So I'm figuring out some interesting things for my camera. It's quite interesting indeed. So this is gonna be my semi-breakfast lunch kind of thing. Oh my god! God. They smell potato chips and they come running. Get my chip bag. Get my chip bag. Get my chip bag. Get my chip. No! Get my chip bag. I should hold my chips. I was really bored today. I haven't done a vlog in a while. God, really? So I thought I would do a vlog for y'all. And you are not getting the chips or anything because you're dirty, dog. I think all of our shopping is done for Christmas. We're not yet sure, though. Because now, my parents, they were set on my brother. And, they're like, oh, he wants money. And then he called us, like one night and said he didn't want money. So now we're like, oh, crap. We have to get him something now. What do we get him? Because each year he's always wanted money, and we're used to it. So now he's changed us, because he has a new girlfriend, girlfriend. And he doesn't really want money as much now, because he's sort of changed. He wants some stuff from the internet or something, we think.
Because that's where he always gets his stuff from the internet. Yes, he does. He does.
So, yeah, we're going to be buying stuff on the internet for him. Hello. Be polite. Be a polite chihuahua. And don't growl at your brother. Because this bag is not just yours. It is mine. It's actually not even yours. It's mine. It's mine. You just think it's yours. You do. You know, I'm not going to tolerate that. No, I don't. Hello. Oh, my God. Are you humping me? No, you're not humping me at all. You're just begging for me. You're just begging to get some. You silly little hound dog. I haven't forgotten you. I haven't forgotten you. Do you mind? You're blocking the camera. Thank you. But, anyways. Moving the camera over. Dog. Go away. This is what happens when I'm trying to eat. The dogs, they ruin everything. There goes my phone. Well, who's calling me? So, my brother has a new girlfriend, and he really likes her. So, she wants a cutting board that's either glass or stone or metal or something. So, we got her a marble cutting board and also a marble rolling pin to go with it. We also gave her a cake mixer, like a mixer that's really old-fashioned kind of. Well, it has an old-fashioned design, but it's actually modern, so she likes it. And then, oh yeah, and we're also going to be redoing my grandmother's posts on the front of her house, because that's what she wanted. And we have a friend who does that, so we're going to call him, have him do it. They're really rotten and old. I need to get back into playing Counter-Strike again, so I can get my kill streaks back up. They've been shocking lately. I don't like it. You've been waiting so patiently. Here. Have a chip. Don't tell Lou. Here he comes. I haven't been playing it in a couple months. And yeah. Kind of feel bad about that. Because all the guys miss me. Lou. Lou. Come here, Lou. No, Pacha. You already had yours. Well, I guess you can have that too. You can have two. Okay. You brothers are good? They're good. Says I'm a good boys. Where's our good boys? Okay. So, anyways. We're enjoying the sun. I haven't done this in a while with the dogs. Not since Rolly and Lady died. I used to do this with them. Lay against this wall and enjoy the sun with them and be warm. Yeah, but in the mornings it's much more special because that's I don't know. It's really nice. It's really quiet. Really, really quiet. It's nice. The dogs love it. Let me have the leaf. Let me have the leaf. You want the leaf? Give me the leaf. Leaf. Let me get a leaf. Here's a leaf. Here's a leaf. Ah. Who's calling me now? My grandmother, she wants us to have like a backdrop to have pictures made on. And she also wants Merry Terry Christmas draped across behind us. How she wants it, it won't be seen by us. Because our heads are going to be in the way. And I've told her this. Each way it's going to, be in the way. And I was like, why can't we just have Merry Terry? I mean, we're going to have, like, shirts with Christmas stuff. It'll say Christmas on it anyways. So, whatever. In the world? Okay. Those crows were fighting. I don't know why, but they were. It's very easy for me to figure out where I'm shooting this camera. And I'm actually glad I got this thing as widescreen. Okay, so he has a stick. And so does he. He has a limb. So they are perfectly content with their tree sticks and such, and I have my chips. And they get jealous. Back off of my sticks. Arr. 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 I'm bored. No, that sticks taste terrible. Ah, damn it, I can't do it. Anyways, I'm bored. I'm stupid. I'm being stupid, not stupid. I'm just being stupid because I got nothing else to do. So yeah. Hope y'all's day is better. I hope that y'all have a really, really good day, actually. I'm just gonna go to my mom's school and grab letters, string them up, go to Nanny's, string them up. Excuse me. And here, have a stick. You want a stick? You want a stick? You want a stick? It's a stick. You want a stick? Get a stick. So yeah, I hope y'all have a good day, or we'll see y'all later. And this video is just a talky, boring video, and y'all might not pay any mind to it. So yeah, hope y'all have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.